Myself Dikshit Palsam. My module name is Business Analytics and Intelligence. Module code is 7045 SSL. Coming to the title, Business Analytics and Performance Evaluation in the UK Clothing Retail Industry in 2015 to 2024. The introduction part is the presentation headed towards the performance trend of leading retailers in the UK, analyzing financial and staffing data. The managers may find new growth opportunities, resources, optimizational, and strategies of sustainability revenue growth. The best information is founded on strong databases and datasets to make correct trends and forecasts. Coming to the next slide, intercompany comparison visualization. The strongest market share is JD leads in the revenue and workforce indicators which demonstrate its dominance in scale. Then there is balance, which is constant growth. The smaller high liquidity player phase 8 has been showing symptoms of conservative but efficient operations in the competitive UK retail market. Coming to the next slide, liquidity is low, which means that JD Sports may experience short-term liquidity problems in the future, but its current revenue growth between the years 2015 to 2024 is the steepest. The Burberry shows a moderate turnover growth and the number of employees stays the same, which reflects the efficiency in the management of luxury segments. The growth patterns of the revenue indicates a fast growth of JD Sports, yet it experiences low liquidity that can restrict in short-term flexibility. There is controlled growth in Burberry, and next the liquidity driven approaches of phase 8 proves to be conservative management, which is appropriate in Nick. These trends give you a clue on strategic and global operational changes. Coming to the next slide, critical evaluation of types of charts for business. Bar and column charts can easily compare financial and workforce measures in comparison of companies, and these charts are appropriate in provide quick insights of borders. Line charts can show the trend and its changes over time to identify the revenue patterns and also the changes in the number of workers and the changes in liquidity to plan the long-term targets. The dashboards like Mango and Uniqlo that merge dashboards have line and bar charts to make instant decisions as well as aid in predictive analytics. Various types of charts are used in different purposes. Bar charts can be compared, line charts are used to track trends, and dashboards are used to monitor KPI. The ability is to see trends, predict the market behavior, and make quality strategy choices efficiently. It's possible with the help of relevant visualizations. Coming to the next slide, predictive analytics. Consolations analytics shows that there are strong positive relationships between turnover and net tangible assets. Turnover has a moderate correlation with the number of employees, and there is a weak correlations or negative correlation between turnover. These are the number of employments and turnover shows in the graph. Predictive analytics validates the fact that assets allocation and workforce to strength are the major revenue sources. The regression models allow managers to make predictions of turnover, resources optimally, and the alignment of workforce and capital investment strategies according to the predicted demand in the market to get higher profits. Coming to the next slide, recommendations and conclusion. Streamline workforce and assets deployments to maximize revenues so that scale is ensured without reducing opportunity efficiency. Keep a favorable liquidity ratio so as cushion against temporary financial shocks as well as foster expansion projects. Predictive models can be used to predict turnover, resource planning, and detect operational inefficiencies, which can be used in evidence based strategies, decision making, and long term competencies in the market. Predictive analytics validates the fact that assets allocation and workforce strength are the major revenue sources. Regressions models allow managers to make predictions of turnover resources, and the companies should also plan how to distribute resources and the number of employees to meet their sales goal. Adequate liquidity means that there will be a flexibility when the market changes. Predictive analytics and helps in proactive plannings as the companies can streamline operations to gain long-term competitiveness in the clothing retail industry in the UK. And these are the references I have taken. Thank you.